So we don't allow drones in any state parks.
Oh, I see. I'm sorry, I didn't know.
And so it was also at a youth group campsite where kids were there for the night.
Oh.
And we have like power plants on either side, so it's kind of a hairy situation.
I'm sorry.
I had to call my supervisor and like let him know what happened. Like
ड्रोन खो गया है, अभी यहाँ पे बैठ के क्या करेंगे? घंटा बजाएंगे। यहाँ पे लोग पागल हो गए हैं। खुद फोन पकड़ के बोल रहे मेरा फोन कहाँ गया, मेरा फोन कहाँ गया, और एक चश्मा पकेट में डाल के बोल रहे मेरा चश्मा कहाँ गया, मेरा ड्रोन खोया है, और इनका
We'll get it because right now nobody will be there. Nobody will be there.
तो मैं देखा था कोई नहीं था, और वो बंद ही गई है, तो यार ये भी करेंगे, and they have this truck, right?
हाँ, yeah, they can come back.
मिल जाएगा ना?
Hope for the best.
It's like your suspense, मिलेगा कि नहीं? अगर नहीं मिलेगा भाई लोग, तो मुझे कल सुबह फिर से उठ के आना पड़ेगा। एक तो 2 घंटे का ड्राइव है।
How you are feeling now? What's your feeling?
I don't have any feeling. I am सुन्न हो गया हूँ मैं अभी। सोच के आधा घंटे से मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा। 2 माइल का ट्रेल अभी लग रहा है 5 माइल का ट्रेल जैसे।
I think that guy will find.
But he's not picking my phone. He's not replying to my message. Maybe there is no signal. Yeah.
ब्राउन राइस लेना मेरे लिए। मैं बैठ रही हूँ, आप ऑर्डर करो।
ठीक है।
क्या है ये? This is missile. Do. Round trip is like 1.4 miles. Small.
But we are not going on the yellow tail.
पता है ये पेड़ ना मुझे बेर जैसा लग रहा है. See what I got.
What? You got a chasma?
I don't know whose specs is this, but let it be. This pine tree, we can do some DIYs with this. We just paint it out and we can keep at home decor stuff. How beautiful.
Yeah.
You can decor it.
कहाँ के वो लोग?
ये मतलब किसी के नेल्स या फिर टेथुकन से उस टाइप का दिख रहा है. कोई पेटल्स अभी तक खुला नहीं है.
हेलो, कहाँ है भाई तू? एंड तक पहुँच गए तुम लोग? अरे वो लोग पहुँच चुके हैं. I think there are so many kind of prayers over there. Blue, red. हाँ लिखा ही पॉइंट है भाई. साथ चले. भले हम
टमाटो वो ही है. Plant is looking like a curry leaves.
तो भाई लोग आज फिर से मेरा ड्रोन गुम हो गया. You see that cliff? Don't ever try to fly drone on top of the cliff. It's actually on the other side of the cliff. I mean, we cannot walk because this is like danger. They're helping us going over there in that side. They go, it's like 15-20 minutes. So I dropped it from that cliff. I thought I'm going to land it over here, but I landed on the other side. One of the staff is helping me. It's like 20 minutes walk over there and 20 minutes down, but the park is closing in like 1 hour. Swati is so pissed.
Because of you, because you did that.
You know,
I told you.
You wanted to have that kind of shot. That's why we went to the cliff.
We can take that kind of shot from here as well. I never told you to take the drone shot on top of the cliff. I just told you to take the drone shot over here.
That's fine. We could not enjoy the views over here. We'll come back sometime. They have this kind of, it's like mini truck.
Is it a shark pit?
What is it?
This is a shark pit.
Shark teeth? What? Is this really
यहाँ
shark
पे
teeth?
मिल. Fossil
These
of
are?
Calvert.
No, these are stones, man. Oh yeah, actually, yeah. Crocodile, it's not shark teeth. Come on.
Are yaar, all these are stone. This is not teeth.
Yeah, but these are like, yeah.
Teeth you can just touch. You can get the texture. But
Calvert
this is not
chips. Okay.
People
Let's
just
go,
tap
guys.
it.
Come on. Park will be closed in 1 hour. Else we'll get a ticket. चलो चलते हैं फिर. ड्रोन तो गुम हो गया.
नया गाड़ी है ये.
हाँ नया ट्रक खरीदे. क्या करेंगे, ड्रोन नहीं है तो इसमें चला के जाएंगे.
बैठ जाओ.
Alright, thank you for finding my drone. Oh my god, thank you.
Absolutely. What was your name?
JP. Thanks Ryan for finding my drone.
Absolutely. So we don't allow drones in any state parks.
Oh, I see. I'm sorry, I didn't know.
And so it was also at a youth group campsite where kids were there for the night.
Oh.
And we have like power plants on either side, so it's kind of a hairy situation.
I'm sorry.
I had to call my supervisor and like let him know what happened. Like I don't think you're gonna be in any trouble, but like he just wants you to know like.
I'm so
this
sorry.
was a
I didn't know about that.
It's yeah. I just want to let you know, like it's fine. You got your drone back. Don't bring it back again.
No.
Okay.
Never.
And keep the battery charged.
Thank you. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Have a
sir.
good night.
Thank you, sir. ड्रोन मिल गया.
ड्रोन मिल गया पर उसका एंटी फिल्टर इज गॉन.
ठीक है. Finally found it. I mean.
जान में जान आई.
ठीक है, एंटी फिल्टर खो गया, बट दैट इज फाइन. एटलीस्ट ड्रोन तो मिल गया. I mean, भगवान, ये 2-3 बार हो चुका है अभी. नाउ आई हैव टू बी केयरफुल. ठीक है, चलो होता है ऐसे ही. अब चलो घर निकलते हैं, हो गया टाइम. चलो कहानी खत्म. बाय.